Hi, I've tried to do this video several times now, and maybe this time we'll get it right. What I wanted to talk to you about was an EDC tool of mine that I have come to appreciate. This is a pair of clippers, pruning shears, whatever you want to call them, but they were about $7 at Meijer a couple of years ago when I got them, and I have found them very useful. They have come in handy many times. I don't just use them to prune the branches off of trees. I have used them to clip down my raspberry plants so that they don't overgrow my garden. I have used them to harvest squash, pumpkins, cantaloupe. I've used them to cut the tops off of carrots. They have just come in handy for a number of uses, harvesting seeds, etc. And the other day my wife was throwing away an old steam vac, and for whatever reason my knife that I was using sliced like butter through the hose part of the steam vac, but when it came to the electrical cord, it was made up of some kind of different plastic, and it just didn't want to go through it. But these came in very handy. They chopped right through it. And so I just wanted to kind of give a shout out for these pruning shears. I got them at Meijer, like I said, for about $7 a couple of years ago, and they have just really been handy. They have helped me out a lot, and I wanted to share that with you in case you needed some, a tool like that. You could think about, you wouldn't have to go buy the most expensive one or anything like that, but you could go to wherever you get your tools and buy something similar, knowing that it was a good product. Anyway, thank you for watching. God bless you. See you next time.